Hey, welcome to Day Trading Fearless. My name's Jason Ramos, and this is for the members section of the website. I'm going to go over exactly how to read it, when the trades are going to be updated, and also how to trade the zone. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on this. So first things first, every weekend, the zones will be updated by 6 p.m. Eastern time Sunday night for the weekly trade zones. The second thing is make sure to follow our trade setups at Trading Fearless. Okay, on Twitter, right here, if you click on this, it'll show you how to do mobile notifications so you can get them in real time. Is when I do post the brand new charts for the following week and the zones, I will send out a tweet via Twitter letting everybody know. Also during the week, I will send live tweets with updates of trade setups that I see happening throughout the market. So let's get down to it. Okay, so the first one you'll see are the E-mini S&Ps, okay, the weekly support and resistance, and then also the market profile. Just so you know, the E-mini S&Ps are the only ones that are going to have a couple extra. This is one of my main products that I trade 24/7. So this is something that's also more relevant to the market itself. Okay, so right here you have two charts. If you click on the chart, it'll expand so you can see all the zones with the exact levels. You also, if you're a Thinkorswim user, if you click on this link, what it does is it'll actually open up for you to save the zones on your own chart. So just download it, open up the link, download it onto your Thinkorswim, and then just save the study set, and you can use them on any of your charts. Also, you'll see updated August 13th. So every Sunday when I've updated this, all the zones, these numbers will change. So you can log in to the website 24/7 as you have access anytime. Usually I try and do the updates of the trade zones and the charts either by the market close on Friday, maybe a little bit after, or on Saturdays. I just want to say Sunday just in case I get busy. So going down, you'll receive resistance levels and then also the support levels. Okay, down here are all the support levels. The resistance, as you could see, think of it as just the chart, as your first level of resistance, your second, third, and fourth. On the way down, your first level of support are these levels, then the 22, the 2410, so on. Again, with the E-mini S&Ps, you'll also receive gaps and naked VPOCs, and these are the open gaps and naked VPOCs. Sometimes you'll see four of them. Sometimes you might see one or two. All the levels and gaps and VPOCs are what I believe the range will be for the following week. So sometimes you might see more, sometimes you might see less. Next, we have the crude oil, the CL, and also the gold, the GC charts. Again, same thing. Click on the chart. You'll be able to see the chart, everything. If you use a different brokerage firm, that's fine. Here are all the levels. Just maybe find the rectangle drawing tool on those charts if you're using Tastyworks or E-Trade or somebody. Okay, apart from Thinkorswim, these are all the levels you'll just want to plot on your charts. Okay, so again, these are the levels right here for crude oil. These are the ones for gold. Then we go down farther, Apple, Amazon. Okay, these levels for Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix. Okay, if you ever have a question, shoot me an email, jason@daytradingfearless.com, and I'll usually get back to you within a few hours. So now, real quick, let's go into how to trade the zones and also for the E-mini S&Ps, the gaps and naked VPOCs. Now, there are multiple ways to actually trade the zones, but we're going to just keep it real basic. You'll start to see as you see them how well they work as support and resistance. So I don't care if I'm bullish or bearish, I have a trade either way. So if price rallies, I have a zone here. If price falls, I have a zone down here, support and resistance. If price goes up, I'll look to short. If price goes down, I'll look to get long. Now, naked epochs are going to act just like a support or resistance level, same with the gap. Now, if it's inside the zone like this, that's actually confluent, and now I'm actually going to like that trade even better. So I'm going to run through each and every single one of the offerings, products that we offer, and I'm going to let you know the exact ratio of what the zone is. Now, for the E-mini S&Ps, they're 2-point wide zones. The way I like to trade them, okay, is maybe look to buy at the beginning. I give all my trades 1 point beyond the zone. Okay, if that makes sense. So I would have a total of 3 points worth of risk, because a lot of times price will come to the very beginning of the zone and reverse. Other times it might go halfway or to the back, touch the back, and then reverse. Okay, and then it's just kind of giving an extra point for more of wiggle room, we'll call it. So that's the way I like to trade it. If it goes beyond the 3 points, I am out of the trade. Okay, the trade didn't work this time. I move on to the next trade. Or in this case, the next zone. Now, when there is news, just so you know, markets, the zones may not be respected. If there is news, what I personally do is if there's news, I take my hand off the mouse and I just sit back and let things kind of settle down. I actually like a slower market. I enjoy volatility, but when there's news, the markets, it's kind of like shoot first, then ask questions. Same thing with the market. Now, another way you could trade the zone, and I'll zoom in here, is remember it's a 2-point zone. Maybe you trade bigger size, right? 5, 10 contracts. Maybe one strategy is to buy the beginning of the zone. By the middle of the zone, if you get filled at the middle and it goes back, well, guess what? You're actually up. You're break even on the first and you're up a point on the second. Maybe you buy 2 contracts here, 2 here, 2 at the back, and then all 3 contracts are stopped out. Okay, all 3 different buys are stopped 1 point beyond. But if you're able to get filled here, here, and here, and then price reverses and starts to go, now you could scale out of the position and maybe look for a runner to get that home run of maybe 10, 15, 20 S&P points. Okay? So I hope that kind of clarifies it. Let's run through them all real quick, okay? And I'll tell you exactly how much each one is. So crude oil, the zones are 20 cents. Okay, so every zone is 20 cents wide, meaning we might have a zone at 2024 to 2044. Okay, again, maybe give an extra 10 cents on the back end. Gold, the zones are $2 wide. Okay, give it maybe an extra 50 cents to $1 beyond the back of the zone. For Apple, 50 cents wide. Okay, so maybe give an extra 25 or maybe even 50 cents, so you have a total of $1. But remember, the whole point of these support and resistance is it should not break it. That's why I keep a very tight leash. I want to let my winners run and hold cut my losses very quickly, and that's what these zones do. You're able to visually see these. Amazon is $2 wide. Okay, give it maybe an extra dollar on the back end. The reason they're $2 wide is because of it's $1,000 stock, so it does get volatile. Also, with the bid-ask spread is a little wide sometimes. Facebook, 50 cents wide. Again, a quarter or 50 cents. And then finally, Netflix. Okay, Netflix is 50 cents wide. So pretty much all the stocks are 50 cents except for Amazon, which is $2. E-minis are 2 points. Crude oil is 20 cents. And then gold is $2. So again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, jason@Daytradingfearless, and I can help answer any of your questions. But again, thank you for being a member. If you're watching this and you're not a member, make sure to go Day Trading Fearless, sign up. We have some amazing prices that you could sign up for practically really cheap. So these are what our current offers are, $35 a month. Okay, or $199 for a lifetime subscription. Now, I'm not saying that's going to last forever, but those are the prices as of now. But thank you again. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to do what everybody else says, subscribe and comment. Hey, thank you very much.